So here are the 5 most helpful legal tips every business owner, every individual, and especially you as a person really need to know in this 2025 we are pushing for to be legally safe. And the number one is don't ever confess to a crime you are being accused of, even when you are caught flaglato delito, meaning that red-handed, except your lawyer advises otherwise. And the number two, even when you are caught committing a crime, it is not your obligation to prove that you are innocent. Rather, it is the obligation of the prosecution to prove that you did in fact commit the act. This is embodied in the principle of he who allege must prove. And all these are guaranteed by our constitution, which is the Fon S Origo, that is the grand norm of our land. And section 1, by virtue of section 1 of the constitution, it clearly implies that this constitution remains the supreme, and any laws that comes inconsistent with it shall be deemed null and void to the extent of its inconsistency. The number three, even when you get caught for a crime you probably commit or did not commit, you still have the right to remain silent, not just in the police station, even in court proceedings. And the police owes you that duty to remind you of this right. That is why before arrest, the police will always say you have the right to remain silent, or whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. And the number four, no matter the offense you commit, section 36 sub 5 of the constitution clearly says that you are innocent until proven guilty. And this proof is on the prosecution to prove beyond reasonable doubt. And as held in the case of Wilmington versus DPP, this proof is really beyond reasonable doubt. And the number five, it is a legal mistake not to follow this account, as I will be hitting you up with legal tips from time to time. Counsel Smiles, follow for more legal tips.